Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fold an origami heart box, just like this one. This model is quite small, and the lid is very small, and then the box is pretty small as well, but it's quite tall. So I would suggest using bigger paper than 15 by 15 centimeters. So let's just start. So we're going to start with the lid, and we are going to fold our paper in half like this, horizontally and vertically. And then now we are going to divide our paper into fourths, eighths, and sixteenths. So we're going to start with one side like this and divide it into fourths, and then eighths, and then sixteenths. And then we do the same thing on this side. Now your paper should look like this, and now we're going to do the exact same thing, but horizontally. So then I'll go do that right now. Now your paper should look like this. So now we are going to take these corners, and we are going to find these two creases, and we are just going to line it up and fold it diagonally in half like this, and do it with all these other corners. Okay. Now we're going to take this small little square here, made out of 4 little squares. We're going to make a crane base out of it. So then it looks like this. We're going to do that with all the other corners. And you want to have like this color coming out from the back. So while you're doing that, you want to make sure the color is out, and yeah. So then it should look like this. When you have finished that, your paper should look like this. So now we are going to completely get rid of the color from the back, just going under these little crane bases. So you're just going to fold it like this, and then just gently push it like this, and then just bring it down again. And then do the same thing with all of these others. When you have finished that, your paper should now look like this. So now we're going to turn it over and bring the corners to the center. Now your paper should look like this. This is going to be the part where the heart is. So now we're going to make the heart. So the first step is to just fold a regular heart, just like this, but in separate pieces. So then this would be sort of one of the top sides, and then we do the same thing on this side. Now the heart should look like this. And then we're going to just take the other side and fold it under. Nice and nicely and clean. So then our heart looks a lot better. And so then it can look sharp on the bottom. So then it'll look like this, and then you're going to look like this, and then you're going to bring these tips and fold them down. So then the heart has like a flat top, sort of. So then the heart will look like this. Now we're going to turn the paper over and bring all the corners back to the middle again. And then we want to make sure that when we turn it over, the heart is facing upwards. And then we are going to unfold the left and right corners. And then we're going to fold 90 degrees like this, right on the edge here. And do the same thing on this side, like this. And then we're going to do the same thing that I have posted on my channel for about making a box with a top decoration. So we are just going to do this, and then we are going to use the existing creases that we made, and then we are going to sort of make the box, shape it like we're going to just do this. We're going to take, see this crease? We're going to take it and we are going to press it like this, and then we will do on all of these sides. So then we will have a nice little lid. So this side is done and it should look like this. The finished lid should look like this. It is fairly small and is not really deep. So now we're going to go onto the box. To make the box, we need to fold it fold our paper in half, vertical and horizontally. And then we unfold it, and then bring all the corners to the middle. So then our paper will look like this. We divide our paper into thirds. We're just going to fold it and bring the other side like this. So it'll look like this. And then we're going to fold it or divide it into thirds the other way. So then look like this. And then we're going to do the same thing we did with our lid. We are going to unfold the right and left corners. And then we see this little box, this little square. We're going to just fold it 90 degrees up like this to these two creases. Bring these two sides to these two creases. So then they're 90 degrees up, like this. And then we're going to do the same thing we did with the lid. We're just going to find these creases. And then, see this? Going to bring it in. And then fold it down, like this. So then that's what the box looks like, and do the same thing on this side. So here's the box, and here's the lid. So here is our heart box. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing because that would mean a lot to me. Thank you.